Bye. Love you too. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the vlog. So as you guys know, my car has been down and not really running right this whole entire time I've been here. The rear left speed sensor is out. I'm on my way right now to go pick up a new speed sensor. It's like an hour north of me, but it's $75. A new one from a dealer is $200. I could get an aftermarket one from O'Reilly's for like $125, but I'd rather just get an OEM used one for $75. Let's hope this fixes the issue because I really need that limo to go away. I have like a 16-hour drive back up to Spokane, and I don't really want to drive all the way there in limp mode with no cruise control and not being able to go over 4,500 RPM. It's just such a pain in the ass to drive like that. This is the place where I need to get the sensor from. Not really an auto shop. It's kind of like a junkyard, so I think I might have to go pull it myself. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. This place is freaking ghetto. So I got the sensor. I had to PayPal them because I didn't have cash. They wouldn't take debit cards. So I got the sensor down there. They also gave me a bolt for my exhaust because the right side muffler was literally falling off. One of the bolts fell out all the way. The exhaust gasket fell out, and then the other bolt was loose. I don't know how that happened, probably from scraping around so much. So I got a bolt for that. I'm gonna head back to Huntington right now and get this all fixed up. I told them, or I asked them if it was fine to fix it out here. They're like, dude, don't even like chance fixing your car out here. It's so sketchy, such a sketchy area. So I am going to head back to Huntington right now, get this ABS sensor swapped out, or the speed sensor. Hopefully that is gonna fix everything that's wrong with the car. I'm thinking it will. Let's hope and pray that it actually does. There's like the straight up hood in here though. I can see why they don't want me to work on my car here. Kind of a sketchy area. Alright, I'm gonna go on a little drive, see if the issue is fixed. I really freaking hope it is because that was a pain in the ass. She's still there. Check engine light, ABS light, and traction control light are all still on. So I'm gonna pull apart the right rear side and visually inspect that sensor, see if I can see any damages. If that sensor's fine as well, I think I'm just gonna drive home how it is with it in limp mode, which should be a straight pain in the ass. Well, I found the issue, guys. The sensor is actually ripped out of the hub somehow. Maybe I pulled the sensor and forgot to tighten the bolt up or something stupid like that. But I'm super glad I found the issue. I'm gonna pull that, take that sensor right there, put it on this side, and we should be good to go. I got the sensor on, now I should find a bolt to throw in there. So I think I'm gonna pop open the hood, just find some random bolt that I don't necessarily need, take it out and throw it into that sensor because I can't have that sensor fall out again. All right, here's this current scoop with the car. The ABS light's off, the traction control light is off, the check engine light is still on, and I do not know if it's still in limp mode or not. I'm gonna go drive it right now. Bobby's gonna hold the camera, please. And I know, but I want you to hold it.
That's okay, but I do anything for you.
We're gonna Shake Shack, and on the way there, I'm gonna test this thing out, see if it's still in valley mode, and if it's not, then we get there faster. If it's in valley mode, then we don't go at all. That's the deal.
Oh, we're going to Shake Shack.
Are we, huh?
Yes.
Alright, let's go on a little drive.
I'll walk there if I have to.
This is the moment of truth. Is this thing gonna like, I could just sit there with the clutch in and, ooh, that bus almost hit that guy. I could sit there with the clutch in and rev it up. That's the boring way to do it though. I want the fun way to do it.
What's that?
To hammer
Heckin'?
To frickin' hammer down and see if it goes fast.
We should start a new slang word.
Like what?
Heckin'.
Heckin'. That's so ugly.
I know, but it's kind of fun.
If she goes past 45 RPM, it's not my comment, by the way. No. Alright. Oh, definitely is good.
Woo!
Holy
Sick.
guacamole, this thing's fast as
Sick.
fuck.
Okay, babe, where are we going?
That makes you freaking happy. Why is my check engine light still
It makes
on?
you heckin' happy.
I'm heckin' happy as heck. Yeah,
I love
that's so
that.
sick. Now we can, wait, is my cruise gonna work? Yes, it will. Perfect.
Yes, it's all good to go.
My check engine light's on still, but I think it's gonna go off in a minute when I drive it enough. It'll just like, you know, kind of learn. It's like a brain in your head.
Okay, babe.
And it's gotta heckin' learn all the heckin' things. I hate that word.
No, it's cute.
Damn, I could have turned left here. Yeah, that's sick. Anyways, right now we're headed to the bank. I need to get money for a photo shoot tonight. And then we're going to Shake Shack. Bobby wants a shake.
And I want a burger and fries.
What?
What? Yeah, you heard me.
So we're doing all that. I'll probably get a shake too because I'm a fatty. I'm a heckin'
And
fatty.
a hamburger?
No.
Then you're not a true fatty like me.
And then we're gonna go shoot with some dude. I think his name's Gian. He takes really good photos. His Instagram is 25th, like 25THH. That's what we're doing. That's on the agenda.
All right, we'll see you there.
I'll shoot. No. Who wants a Shake Shack edit? Who wants a Shake Shack edit?
Me.
Focus on. Anyways, since you guys didn't see the edit, there was no edit because we didn't freaking go to Shake Shack. It was an hour away, yeah, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Something stupid like that. Way out of the way, so we went to Chick-fil-A instead. You've already seen like 400 of those damn Chick-fil-A edits, so we did not do that. But right now I'm looking for Gian. It's like in an industrial area.
What kind of car does it drive?
I honestly don't know. Yo.
Be a gentleman and help me.
The only reason I help you is because I don't want you to step on the car.
Oh my lord. Today was not the right day to wear a crop top after eating Chick-fil-A.
Blah.
Blah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to save this bee. I think it's dying.
That make you sad that it's dying.
I'm just trying to flop it on my leaf so I can bring it over.
What are you trying to do with it?
Bring it to the bush, into the shade. Can you put it on it?
Oh my gosh.
No!
Aw.
So freaking close. I'm trying to save your life, bee.
We're just hanging out here at the location Gian sent me. He's not here yet, so we're just dicking around waiting for him to show up. But Bobby's out here trying to save this damn bee's life. Females, I tell you, man, they're whack. What?
Don't mess with me, I'll beat your ass.
Burnout?
Yeah. That was a burnout. Apparently today I'm Devin's little cameraman. He just thinks he's so cool.
Yeah, she was sick. I wanted to shoot with this kid. He really is a kid. He's like 19. I really want to shoot with him when I was down here, so I'm glad that happened. Yeah, now we're going to Starbucks because Bobby's tired girl, and then we're gonna go home.
Dope photo shoot.
Yeah, that was dope. I like his car too.
We going to Starbucks?
Yeah, let's go to Starbucks. So the original plan today was to go to a Flawless Auto Spa opening. It's like the grand opening. There's gonna be Pagani's there, Ferraris, Lambos, all some crazy shit there. Pretty sure that show got canceled now. That's what one of the homies said. It got canceled, so I guess I'm not really sure what's going on now today. Right now, I'm just gonna go jump in the FRS, go drive with nowhere in mind. I have no clue where I'm going. No GPS, no nothing. I'm just gonna go drive, explore the town. Bobby's in the hotel recording or editing videos, and I was getting bored, so I'm just gonna go drive around. Oh, and I guess I didn't tell you guys, but my check engine light is now off on the car, so I have none of my lights are on. Very stoked about that. It's crazy how one little sensor like that speed sensor can cause the check engine light to come on, ABS light to come on, traction control light to come on, put it in limp mode, all because of an ABS or speed sensor. That's wild. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage of the Dodge Demon. That was a Dodge Demon, by the way. It wasn't a regular Challenger or even like a Hellcat. It was a freaking Dodge Demon. Those are like 840 horsepower stock from the factory. And then the GT3 RS, I think, is like 500-ish stock from the factory. So obviously the Demon kicked its ass. But I actually talked to the Porsche owner at the stoplight. He said, yeah, he's going to beat me on the straightaways, but I'll definitely get him in the corners. So that's pretty exciting to see down in Newport Beach. Right now, we are headed to Flawless Auto Spa. It's like grand opening of a new shop here in, well, like the Huntington area. Actually, I don't even know where it is. It's like somewhere around here. I will see you guys there. It's gonna be a freaking insane day. So after all that back and forth stuff, whether or not the car show is gonna be even going on today, we drove all the way there and it was closed. So now we're up in freaking hills in Azusa, up in the mountains.
Oh, whoa, big up here.
Oh, damn. Like, for real, a damn. Is that gay?
Yeah.
Low-key, I just came out here to shoot where Brandon shot the Lamborghini Huracan at. I gotta figure out where that was, so I'm gonna duplicate the shots.
I dare you to jump in. I'll give you 50 bucks.
50 bucks, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna steal my car?
Yes.
So it is now the next day. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, stock FRS again. That's so funny. Check this out. Orange FRS. Open. Fancy orange FRS. I want you guys to go down in the comment section below and comment where do you think me and Bobby should move to. Or maybe me. Maybe Bobby doesn't want to come with me. I don't really know. Do you want to come?
What?
You want to come move with me somewhere?
I'll think about it.
Yeah, we're really liking the SoCal area, but if you guys have any other ideas, leave them down in the comment section below. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are actually on our way to the Huntington Beach meet right now. That's gonna be a separate video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It'll be coming out in 2 days. So not tomorrow, but the next